In India's corporate world, addresses speak louder than job titles. Tell someone you work on Bangalore's outer ring road and you'll get a nod of respect. Mention Cyber City in Gurgaon and people instantly picture you at a global tech giant. Say you commute daily to Mumbai's Bandra Kurla complex and everyone assumes you're in finance or consulting. These aren't just office locations. They're symbols of prestige. But what makes these three commercial hubs so special? Why do companies pay premium rents to set up here? And if you're an investor, why should these places be on your radar? Before we dive in, a quick note. On this channel, we'll break down everything you need to know about commercial real estate, so subscribe and let's get started. These aren't random business districts. They're the heartbeat of India's economy. Bangalore's Outer Ring Road, or ORR, has become India's Silicon Valley stretch, housing Google, Microsoft, Amazon, and countless unicorns. It generates over $22 billion of IT revenue every year. Cyber City in Gurgaon has redefined corporate India's lifestyle. What started as a cluster of glass towers in DLF Cyber City is now a full ecosystem. With Forbes Global 2000 companies upstairs and buzzing restaurants, cafes, and cultural venues downstairs, it's where business meets lifestyle. And then there's Mumbai's Bandra Kurla complex, or BKC, the country's financial nerve center. Banks, stock exchanges, consulting giants, and MNC headquarters pack this 370-hectare district. Over 200,000 people work here daily. Each hub tells a different part of India's economic story. Tech innovation, global services, and financial power. If Silicon Valley has Highway 101, India has the Outer Ring Road. This 62-kilometer stretch connects Bangalore's IT corridors and is lined with some of the biggest campuses in the country. Embassy Manyata Business Park alone spans nearly 10 million square feet. But success brings strain. ORR is bursting at the seams. Water shortages, traffic chaos, and overcrowded flyovers. It's like a packed restaurant that never runs out of diners. Despite these challenges, 1/3 of India's global capability centers call ORR home. High-grade offices along ORR command ₹90 to ₹140 per square foot per month. Here, startups like Flipkart and Swiggy rub shoulders with giants like Google and Microsoft. It's not just an address, it's a badge that says this is where India's tech future is being built. Cyber City is where Gurgaon transformed from a sleepy suburb to India's corporate playground. Imagine walking through wide boulevards lined with glass towers, offices above, cafes and breweries below, and events in the amphitheater on weekends. It's designed not just as an office complex, but as a lifestyle hub. Corporates like American Express, EY, Deloitte, and Nestle have large offices here. For many multinationals, Cyber City is their first stop when entering India. Leasing activity remains strong, with average rents in Cyber City ranging from ₹100 to ₹250 per square foot per month, depending on grade and location. The appeal? Talent. Gurgaon attracts professionals from North India with its proximity to Delhi, international airport access, and modern residential enclaves in DLF Phase 5, Golf Course Road, and beyond. Unlike Bangalore's chaos, Cyber City balances work and lifestyle in one walkable ecosystem. For employees, it's not just where you work, it's where you network, socialize, and build career credibility. If you want to understand Indian capitalism, spend a day in Mumbai's Bandra Kurla complex. This 370-hectare business district houses the headquarters of India's largest banks, mutual funds, insurance companies, and consulting firms. BKC is where India's financial future gets decided every single day. The concentration of financial power here is unprecedented. The National Stock Exchange, India's largest exchange, operates from BKC. ICICI Bank, HDFC, Kotak Mahindra, and dozens of other financial giants have their headquarters here. International consulting firms like McKinsey, BCG, and Bain have their Indian offices in BKC's gleaming towers. But BKC represents more than just finance. This is where multinational corporations set up their Indian headquarters. Unilever's Indian operations run from here. So do operations for major pharmaceutical, telecom, and consumer goods companies. The area employs over 200,000 people, making it one of the densest employment centers in Asia. And then there are the big ticket deals. In 2024, JP Morgan signed a 10-year lease for over 116,000 square feet with rent expected to cross rupees 1,000 crore in the first decade. That's the level of confidence corporates show in BKC. Land is scarce, demand is endless, and prestige is guaranteed. For investors, that means solid rental yields and strong appreciation. For employees, it's a badge of honor. At their core, these hubs are career accelerators. In just the first half of 2025, Hyderabad and Bangalore together consumed over 5 million square feet of tech office space. For employees, telling someone I work in BKC or I work on ORR instantly elevates your brand. For companies, having an address here makes it easier to recruit top talent. It's reputation, location, and ambition all rolled into one. These locations sculpt career narratives. It signals that you belong in high-performance ecosystems. It shapes how colleagues perceive you, how clients trust you, and even how your next recruiter reaches out. Working in these hubs isn't just about the office. It shapes your entire lifestyle. On Bangalore's ORR, you may face punishing commutes, but you're not too far from vibrant neighborhoods like Kormangla and Indiranagar, known for food, nightlife, and startups. In Gurgaon, Cyber City blurs the lines between office and after hours. You step out of a meeting and walk straight into a brewery, rooftop bar, or cafe. Residential rents nearby can range from 25,000 to 75,000 rupees for a 2 BHK, depending on the area, making it more premium than some other cities but cheaper than central Delhi. And BKC? It's all about luxury. From fine dining to international schools, living nearby is designed for executives and expats. If you're working in BKC, you're paying for both convenience and status. Developers and investors are doubling down here because these three locations tap into structural forces that go well beyond real estate trends. First, powerful network effects drive exponential value here. On Bangalore's ORR, tech companies cluster tightly. So when a startup needs 50 engineers quickly, the talent sits just across the road. In Gurgaon's Cyber City, a walkable blend of offices, cafes, and residential enclaves fuels both productivity and networking. And BKC, Mumbai's financial core, thrives on proximity. High-stakes deals still depend on face-to-face trust. Second, the absorption story is staggering. Bengaluru led the country in office leasing in 2024, absorbing about 14.74 million square foot, up 66% year-on-year, and India's total absorption soared past 49 million square foot. And a third of new leasing continues to happen on ORR. Why does everyone dream of working in ORR, Cyber City, or BKC? Because they're ecosystems where talent, infrastructure, lifestyle, and corporate ambition meet. They offer scale, sustainability, and status. For professionals, they promise career velocity. For investors, they promise strong returns. And remember, this channel is your go-to platform to unpack the why and how of India's commercial real estate, whether it's micro-market deep dives, investor playbooks, or the real stories behind rising office hubs. If you're eager to stay ahead of the curve, hit subscribe now and let's figure out India's next generation of opportunity, one micro-market at a time.